Thanks for tuning into the Changedom Experience. This is Reginal. Like, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to do a Martin Luther King shirt. One of my most favorite quotes from Martin Luther King. And it reads, "The time is always right to do what's right." Right on. Well, for those who are going to be at that Martin Luther King march, be safe wherever you are. Join hands, your head up, and your shoulders back. Just hope this is an inspiration to any of our visionaries and revolutionaries out there. Without further ado, again, like, share, subscribe. Let's go ahead and get back to the design. So first thing we're going to go ahead and do is flip the design horizontally. That way it's going to read left to right on the t-shirt. This black design is going to go on a gray t-shirt. Already do have the black vinyl set in the cameo. So let's go ahead and start the cut. Send it. Design gets cut out, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the heat press here in a little bit. But before I do that, again, I do want to thank you for tuning in. Feel free to comment. Let me know how you feel about the freedoms that we have today and what maybe needs to change. So after the designs are all cut out by the machine here, we're going to use a tool and pick out all the negative spaces so that way we can see the t-shirt design clearly and go ahead and place it on the shirt. After we hear a beep on this here machine, our heat press, we're going to go ahead and get the moisture out of the t-shirt so the t-shirt can take on the heat transfer vinyl. Our design is doing well. Don't need a full 20 seconds. Right? Now the design. The heat protected sheet so the shirt don't burn. want to thank you for tuning into the Changedom Experience. The time is always right to do what's right, you know what I'm talking about? I'll be out there on the march for MLK. Much love, power to the people. Keep your head up. Tune in next time.